When a wrongful death case is being pursued in Illinois, one of the most important issues is proving exactly what happened, as well as proving who is legally responsible for the person's death. My name is Zach Anderson, and I'm a co-owner at 217 Law and an injury attorney in Central Illinois. In this video, I just want to briefly talk about some of the types of evidence that can be very important in Illinois wrongful death cases. One key category of evidence involves accident reports or investigation records. For example, in a motor vehicle crash, investigation reports, reconstruction reports, photographs from the scene, surveillance footage, desk cam footage, and witness statements can all help establish how the incident occurred, even if the person, um, even if obviously somebody passed away and is not able to tell their side of the story as to what happened, which is normal in an injury case. Another important type of evidence are medical records. Medical records document the injuries that occurred. They document the treatment provided, and especially if somebody passes away, doesn't pass away immediately after an accident, medical records can be used to help draw a connection between the accident and the person's passing. In a lot of wrongful death cases, expert testimony is also needed. Accident reconstruction experts, especially if the wrongful death occurred due to a crash involving a semi truck. Medical experts, sometimes, especially in cases involving older folks, medical experts are needed to establish that the death occurred due to someone's negligence and not due to, some pre-existing condition or something like that. Other experts are sometimes necessary as well, like economists, and it really just depends on the facts of the case. Physical evidence is also very important. Vehicle damage can help show liability, surveillance footage, as I mentioned earlier. And then, depending on the type of incident involved, safety records, maintenance records, things like that can help establish what happened. Over time, evidence can disappear, become harder to obtain. And so it's very important to investigate these cases as early as possible. For that reason, if you've lost a family member and you believe that you may have a potential wrongful death claim, it's important to reach out to an attorney sooner rather than later. If the incident occurred in Central Illinois and you might have any interest in working together, please feel free to reach out. Be happy to consult with you and see if my law firm might be a good fit.